Hello, food lovers. Today, we're taking a delectable journey through Europe to explore some classic pastry recipes you must try. These pastries are a celebration of culture, history, and incredible flavors. Get ready. First, the iconic French croissant. This buttery, flaky pastry is a breakfast staple. The secret lies in lamination, where butter and dough are carefully folded. Baked, these layers create the signature, airy interior and crispy exterior we all adore. Enjoy it plain, with jam, or as a sandwich. Next, Italy's classic cannoli. These crispy pastry tubes are filled with sweet, creamy ricotta. Originating in Sicily, cannoli are a testament to Italian craftsmanship. The shell is deep fried to golden perfection, and the filling is often flavored with chocolate chips or pistachios. One bite, and you'll understand why cannoli are beloved. Then, Austria's Schokotorte. This rich chocolate cake is a Viennese specialty, with a closely guarded recipe. Layers of dense chocolate cake are separated by apricot jam and covered in a dark chocolate glaze. It's often served with unsweetened whipped cream, creating a perfect balance. It's a true indulgence. From Austria, we head to Portugal for the pastel de nata. These custard tarts have a crisp, flaky crust and a creamy, slightly brulee custard filling. The recipe originated in Lisbon, and the best ones are made with a secret blend of spices, best enjoyed warm, with cinnamon and strong coffee. Let's explore Germany and the Black Forest cake, Schwarzwälder Kirschtorte. This decadent cake features layers of chocolate, sponge cake, whipped cream, and cherries, soaked in cherry brandy. It's decorated with more whipped cream, chocolate shavings, and cherries. A delightful combination. Finally, Belgium's waffle. While not strictly a pastry, the Belgian waffle deserves a place here. These light, airy waffles are traditionally cooked in a waffle iron and served with toppings, such as whipped cream, fruit, or chocolate sauce. The result is always a delightful treat. So there you have it, a taste of classic European pastries. Each pastry tells a story and offers a unique experience. Happy baking, and bon appetit!